Look, nobody's touching my computer. This is AI. Organizing my files, my drives, my emails, literally everything. Scheduling my week. And I did all of this on my phone while I wasn't even in the room. Let me show you how. But look at this. This is my downloads files. It's got almost 200 files in here. Images, PDFs, songs, drives. It's literally chaos in here. And at this point, I've got no idea what's in here. Honestly, I just don't even know how I'm gonna go through it. I'm too busy for this, so we're gonna have Claude do it. And if you somehow live under a rock and you don't know what Claude is, Claude can literally take control of your entire computer, do actions for you. It's like a mini god, but like a virtual one or something. All right, so I'm gonna show you what this looks like. So the first thing you need to do is you need to download Claude on your MacBook. Get the desktop app. It doesn't work on PC yet. I don't know why, but you need a MacBook. You need to go over to the settings, go to general, and you need to give Claude control of your computer. It needs to be able to take screenshots, control your mouse and keyboard and stuff like that. And if this is not working for you, you may need to go to settings, privacy, and give it access to record your screen. And when you do this for the first time, it's gonna ask you for your permission to do all these things. So just hit okay, and then it'll go do its thing. But it's only on setup when you have to give it access to allow all the properties and stuff. Okay, so watch this. Claude is now in control. I'm not touching anything anymore. It's moving my mouse, it's opening up my download folder, it's scanning everything in there. And then the cool thing is it's telling me exactly what it's doing so I know what it's organizing and where it's going. It's like, here's what you got and here's how I organized it. And I just tell it the structure looks great, so go ahead. So Claude creates the folders, photos, audio, documents, projects, and it starts moving everything into the right place. And it's even sending me updates the whole time, like found your photos, moved it to the PDF area, done. And just like that, everything is sorted. Recordings in one folder, documents in another folder, everything is done. Claude just did this cleaning in 2 minutes. This would have literally taken me hours. No, it would have took me days to do this before. It took me so long that I never did it, right? So this is just insane that it can do this. Now let's take it up a notch. This is when it gets crazy. So let's just say you get a brief from a brand. They want a video, here's a talking point, here's the guidelines. They even tell you what not to say. Normally you would sit down, go through this, draft a response or something like that. It would take time. But what if you're not at your computer? And this is where Claude Dispatch comes in. This thing is insane. It basically allows you to use your computer, the whole thing, just like you can screen record and all that stuff and go to your browser, do all that on your phone. So all you do is go to Dispatch in the top left corner on the Claude desktop app. Then you gotta click a few buttons when you do it for the first time. But then after that, you go to your phone on the Claude app and you just click the dispatch button also. Now you're in full control of your computer while you're gone. So now you can pick up your phone and say something like, hey, in my downloads, there's a brand brief. Can you pull it up? And then once it pulls it up, you just tell it to draft a response for you. You can put down your phone, walk away, or you can tell it to send the email for you after the draft is done. You can have it pretty much do anything you wanted to do. But I came back to my phone, checked the draft, it's perfect. I hit send and now I'm done. So typically I'm just on the go getting work done while other people are just having fun drinking. And just because we're here, I just say, hey, while you're at it, organize my entire laptop also. Take all my screenshots and put them in folders. And then boom, done, desktop clean while I'm away. Okay, now let's take things up one more level, and this one changed everything for me. Claude can go inside of your apps, not just your files, your apps. I told Claude, go into my Notion, find my onboarding checklist, and then put everything into my Google Calendar for me. So then it pulls up my Notion, finds exactly what I'm talking about, reads through it all, and then it goes to my Google Calendar, adds all the tasks in my calendar, and then it moves it around my existing things. It doesn't interfere with the schedule that I already have. And it even put in a lunch break for me. I didn't copy and paste a single thing. Claude did it all for me. So think about this. I'm organizing my files, drafting emails from my phone, move tasks between all of my apps, all while I was on the go today. And the cool thing is, this isn't for developers or coders. This is for people that are just like me and you. I'm not technical at all, but I was able to digest this and use it in my day-to-day life. And even my mom is using this. So if you're one of the 1.5 million people that just switched over to Claude, this is what you've been missing. And make sure you join my SKOOL community if you want all the tips and tricks on how I use Claude in my everyday life and all of the templates, anything in there. So I'll see you in the next video.